Okay, so I want to do the post analysis from yesterday. Let's talk about the yesterday and also the holding part. I think I'm just draw this holding part. So I have another account that I hold it from this area, from that area, and it also is a mistake to do that. But then I found some kind of reason why I want to hold it. Is super confident about that one too, because during the time, um, there's my other. I'm using my other account for long term, right? So during that time, I was checking on the 1 hour, and the 1 hour was giving me like I draw this box like what? How come this came very strong from this area, even though they don't have value? But then when it came here to this area that day that it popped, and it's quite strong from there, and to me, I just want to see more deeper what is going on here. And this whole range right here, it just broke out very strong from there. And from there, I decided to just took a trade from here. I don't kind of remember how to where. I just saw this green candle came really strong and came all the way down. And once I came all the way down, I just took that trade from here. Since I wanted a better price from here, and I know the stop loss will be here from the 1 hour, the area. And I just gave them a little more space from there for the holding part. For the holding part area, yeah. So at the same time, I'm holding it, and at the same time, I have my other account. I did a trade, and I closed the trade from this area, and from yesterday, which is I'm gonna put it all together in my title, which is the July 28th, and in 5 minutes. So it was a great trade from that one. I went 2.57, took out full trade from here. And on my other account, I just hold it until from yesterday. Yeah, from the 28th until now. And I just took out that trade from the July 29th. I want to push further right now because now is I'm gonna dress up and wait for another discount from this area. But since I know it already broke out, I had to do more analysis to come out because I wasn't sure if I wanted to move forward more because of this area. So there's a lot of level in there. I don't have that confidence right now to push it through, and I only do 1 hour and 5 minutes trade, and this is good enough to have a win for the whole. So then the whole is the same thing. The whole, so I went 2.94 from there, from today markets of the holding part. But the lesson is I shouldn't hold. I should play more or better as a trader. But that also a good lesson that whether I want to hold it or not. But that I still had to reanalysis for this Microsoft, and so I could get more confident for the next trade.